Welcome back to the channel. You know how much I love diving deep into the coolest tech, and today's no different. We're talking about computer vision. Basically, giving computers the power to see and understand the world like we do. And honestly, it's not just about cool tech anymore. It's about how this stuff is revolutionizing everything around us. From healthcare to how our food's grown, computer vision is changing the game. So, let's break down some of the most mind-blowing ways this technology is shaping the future.
Let's talk about something that hits close to home: healthcare. Imagine getting an X-ray, and within minutes, an AI system analyzes it, spotting tiny details even the most trained eye might miss. That's the power of computer vision in healthcare. AI algorithms can detect diseases like cancer at incredibly early stages. This isn't just about speed, it's about accuracy. Computer vision helps radiologists be more precise in their diagnoses. Early detection means more effective treatment and better recovery chances. Computer vision is changing the entire healthcare landscape. It's pretty amazing, right?
Okay, let's shift gears now and talk about something I know gets you guys hyped: cars. But not just any cars, we're talking self-driving cars, and the tech that's making it all possible: computer vision. Think about it. For a car to drive itself, it needs to see and understand its surroundings, right? That's where computer vision comes in. Cameras and sensors on the car capture a constant stream of visual data, which is then processed by powerful AI algorithms. These algorithms can identify other cars, pedestrians, cyclists, lane markings, traffic signs, you name it. But here's the really cool part. Computer vision doesn't just help the car see, it helps it understand what it's seeing. It can predict the movement of other vehicles, anticipate potential hazards, and make split-second decisions to keep everyone safe. We already have cars on the road today with advanced driver assistance systems powered by computer vision. Think lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and even automatic emergency braking. These systems are already making our roads safer, and they're just a glimpse of what's to come. As computer vision technology continues to evolve, we're getting closer and closer to a future where self-driving cars are the norm, not the exception. So, yeah, the next time you see a car with a bunch of sensors on it, don't be intimidated. Just remember that there's some serious computer vision magic happening under the hood.
Let's talk about shopping. Computer vision is about to make your shopping experience seamless and futuristic. Ever walk into a store, grab what you need, and just walk out without waiting in line? That's the magic of cashierless stores, powered by computer vision. Cameras and sensors track you, identifying items you pick up and put back. When you're done, you just walk out, and your payment is processed automatically. Computer vision is also changing online shopping with virtual try-on features. It analyzes your face or body and overlays the product, solving the pain point of not trying things on. Shopping is essential, and computer vision makes it efficient, convenient, and fun.
Let's switch gears and talk about agriculture. What does high-tech computer vision have to do with farming? A lot. Farming is hard work. Computer vision makes it more efficient and sustainable. Smart agriculture optimizes food production. Farmers monitor crops, identify pests, and ensure proper care. Computer vision helps with advanced tech. Drones capture detailed crop images, analyzed images assess plant health and estimate yield. Systems identify weeds and pests. Targeting pesticide use reduces costs and environmental impact. Automated harvesting systems are being developed. Robots identify and pick ripe produce. Computer vision is transforming agriculture.
Okay, let's face it, security is a big deal. Whether we're talking about our personal safety or the safety of our communities, we all want to feel secure. And guess what? Computer vision is playing an increasingly important role in making that happen. Think about all the places where security is paramount. Airports, train stations, stadiums, even just walking down a busy street. Now imagine if we could use technology to make these places even safer. That's what computer vision is enabling. One of the most well-known applications of computer vision in security is facial recognition. While it's definitely a topic with important ethical considerations, there's no denying its potential to enhance security. Computer vision algorithms can analyze images from security cameras to identify known individuals. whether they're potential threats or simply missing persons. But it's not just about facial recognition. Computer vision can also be used for license plate recognition, object detection, and even behavioral analysis. So yeah, computer vision has the potential to make our world a safer place.
All right, let's talk manufacturing. I'm talking about those massive factories where everything from cars to smartphones is assembled. It's a world of precision and efficiency, and guess what's playing a key role in making it all happen? You guessed it, computer vision. See, in manufacturing, quality control is everything. You don't want a faulty product rolling off the assembly line, right? In the past, quality control was a manual process, with inspectors painstakingly examining products for defects. But now, computer vision is automating this process, and it's a game changer. Imagine cameras mounted above assembly lines, capturing images of every single product that passes by. These images are then analyzed by computer vision algorithms that can spot even the tiniest of defects: a scratch on a phone screen, a dent in a car door, a missing component on a circuit board. With computer vision, manufacturers can catch defects early on, reducing waste and ensuring that only the highest quality products make it to consumers. So yeah, the next time you unbox a new gadget or admire a flawlessly finished car, remember that computer vision might have played a role in making it all possible. Okay, let's talk about something that affects all of us: the environment. Our planet is facing some serious challenges, from climate change to deforestation to pollution. But amidst all of this, there's a glimmer of hope, and it comes in the form of technology, specifically computer vision. Think about it. Monitoring the health of our planet is a massive undertaking. We need to track changes in forests, oceans, and ice caps, often in remote and inaccessible areas. That's where computer vision comes in, providing us with the eyes and ears we need to understand our planet better. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras and computer vision algorithms can fly over vast forests, capturing images that can be used to track deforestation, identify illegal logging activities, and even monitor the health of individual trees. But it's not just about forests. Computer vision is also being used to monitor our oceans. Satellites equipped with computer vision systems can track oil spills, monitor coral reefs, and even estimate fish populations. So yeah, computer vision is giving us a powerful tool to monitor the health of our planet. Now let's talk about something close to my heart: education. Everyone deserves access to quality education, but for many people around the world, there are barriers that stand in the way. But here's the exciting part. Computer vision is emerging as a powerful tool to break down those barriers and create a more inclusive and accessible learning environment for everyone. Imagine for a moment the challenges faced by students with visual impairments. Navigating the world and accessing educational materials can be incredibly difficult. But with computer vision, we can create tools that empower these students to learn and thrive. For example, computer vision algorithms can be used to develop text-to-speech applications that can read aloud any text that a camera is pointed at. This means that students who are blind or have low vision can access printed books, documents, even handwritten notes, just like their sighted peers. But it's not just about text. Computer vision can also be used to translate sign language into spoken language in real time. Imagine a world where deaf students can communicate effortlessly with their teachers and classmates without the need for interpreters. So yeah, computer vision is creating a more inclusive and accessible learning environment for everyone. All right, it's time to talk about something fun: entertainment. Specifically, let's dive into the world of gaming and how computer vision is changing the game. Literally. Now we're talking about experiences that blur the lines between the real and virtual worlds. Augmented reality, or AR, is one area where computer vision is making a huge impact. AR overlays digital content onto the real world, creating interactive experiences. And then there's virtual reality, or VR, which takes immersion to a whole new level. So yeah, the next time you lose yourself in a video game, remember that computer vision is making these experiences more immersive and engaging. As we've seen, computer vision is already making an incredible impact across a wide range of industries. And this is just the beginning. As AI and vision technology advance, we can expect even more revolutionary applications in the future. From personalized medicine to self-driving cars to robots that can understand our emotions, computer vision is poised to transform our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. It's a future full of possibilities, and I, for one, am incredibly excited to see what's next. What about you? What application of computer vision are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what application of computer vision you found most exciting. See you next time.